Suhag Jewelers, timeless jewelry for generations.
Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Khana Khazana, USA, New England. We are excited to bring another episode of Kitchen Tale with Aparna Krovi. Since past so many days or so many episodes, we are seeing these yummy, delicious recipes. So let's welcome Aparna from Boston. Hi, Aparna.
Hello, Shafali ji. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
I'm so excited for another really yummy recipe. So tell us what you're showing today.
Today I'm showing avocado paratha. Like avocados are very good for health, and we are so fortunate that in US में हमको इतना abundantly मिल जाता है,
बिल्कुल.
thanks to Mexico.
Yeah.
इतना सारा avocados मिल जाता है, and in Indian cooking we hardly use avocado. So I thought, why not to incorporate avocados in Indian cooking? So
Yeah.
that's why I came up with the recipe of avocado paratha.
But avocado इतनी चीजों के ना केवल it has great vitamins but also it's great for skin, right? तो सब
Yes,
कुछ मिल
it's
सकता है.
very, healthy fat. So आप खा सकते हैं and you can eat it and you can still lose weight. So that's the benefit of eating avocado.
So
Yeah.
paratha ऊपर से avocado. That's very yummy. क्या? What
Yes.
was your motivation for this?
Like I said, here I mostly eat it in Mexican cooking. Indian खाने में मिलना नहीं होता है. Mostly I eat it in like when I go to Chipotle or guacamole बनाती हूँ घर में. But then I again eat it with Tostitos or nachos जो
Yeah.
fried तला हुआ चीज है.
हाँ.
No, so again I'm eating that healthy food with something not healthy.
Fried. Yeah.
Yeah, so I thought जो roti जो है you can make it with whole wheat or multigrain flour. So it's more healthy and it's which we can enjoy more often in Indian cooking. Roti तो सबके घर में ज्यादा बनता है Indian kitchens में.
Yeah.
So yeah,
No, it's
that's why.
like a
And
fusion. It's like a
yes,
fusion in the Mexican.
yes. And also not only like paratha, you can use it as a roll or frankie, and
I see.
you can come up with so much of creativity in that recipe.
That's amazing. So ज़्यादा देर नहीं करते हैं. Very excited to see this recipe. Let's look at the video.
Sure.
Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Kitchen Tales with Aparna Crowley. Today I am going to show you all how to make avocado paratha. Avocados are rich in vitamins, minerals and other nutrients that keep you healthy. Although avocados are high in fats, they are mainly healthy fats that helps you lose weight. Let's have a look at the health benefits of eating avocado. Since we now know the health benefits of eating avocado, let's see how we can incorporate it in our daily food. Let's get started making avocado paratha. Here are the ingredients. Avocados. Here I am using 2 small avocados. Lemon. Wheat flour. You can also use multigrain flour too. Salt. Minced garlic. You can use garlic paste too. Chili flakes. Freshly chopped coriander. Some ghee or oil for frying. Cut avocado into half and scoop out the pulp. Using a ladle or your fingers, mash the avocados. Make sure there are no chunks left in the avocados. Now add rest of the ingredients. Garlic, lemon juice, salt, chili flakes. You can also use chili powder too. Cilantro and wheat flour. Do not add all the flour at once. Add it as needed while kneading the dough. Do not add any water as the avocados has enough moisture in it. Keep adding the flour until you form a smooth dough. Make sure it doesn't stick to your palms. Let the dough rest for 10 to 15 minutes. Divide the dough into equal portions and start rolling the parathas. Dusting the flour as needed, roll the parathas. Make sure they are equally rolled on all the sides. Repeat the same with the rest of the dough. Our avocado parathas are ready. Now let's start frying them. Heat the tawa and place the paratha on it. Keep the heat on medium and let the paratha cook. Once it starts bubbling, flip it to the other side and add some oil or ghee on top. Keep flipping until both sides are well cooked. Our avocado parathas are ready. Today I am serving them with some carrot and cucumber raita. You can also enjoy these parathas as frankies or avocado rolls by stuffing them with your choice of vegetables or meat. This is a very good option to use any leftover curries too. Here I am using some leftover paneer tikka and topping it with some sriracha and mayo. Hope you enjoyed today's episode of Kitchen Tales with Aparna Crowley. See you on the next one.
So that was really amazing, Aparna. Very healthy. If people don't eat a garlic, can they substitute something else with it or just like without garlic?
Yeah, they can just skip it. The main flavor comes from the lemon and avocado because avocado is bland in taste basically. So adding lemon, it will give that slight sourness to this, and they can add any kind of spices they want.
Okay. So this was so exciting and so yummy. Thank you for bringing these wonderful recipes to our viewers. And thank you again. And we're looking forward to the next show.
My pleasure. Thank you. Have a great evening.
Bye.
Bye.